Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see behind me, Subaru WRX, which I want to start this project, so finally doing the roller car. The reason I'm gonna start working on the roller car, first, BMW don't have interior, don't want to start on the body work, and without interior I'm gonna postpone it until L&D solution will get me interior. I don't know how long it's gonna take them, but I sent the interior out, I believe in October. So hopefully really soon. They've been telling me this and that, but hopefully it will be here soon. Second of all, the Highlander don't have all the parts. Order a couple parts already from a dealer and from couple other places. Currently waiting, so the show must go on, right? So there you go, WRX rally car. And I saw a lot of you guys commenting why you like rollover cars. Guys, I'm not gonna be fixing this vehicle to perfect specs or anything like that. This is gonna be basically Mad Max style WRX rally car. So all of this you see, I don't care about it. I honestly don't care about it. If I'm gonna need to weld it some plates here, I will weld the plates. I don't care. You know, this vehicle gonna be the vehicle you're having fun. You know, you're doing some speeds, you're drifting, you hit the corner, not the corner, tree, rock, or anything. I don't care. This is the vehicle for it. So that's why I got it, you know. It's beat up, yeah, sure, I'll put it in the frame, we'll pull it out, everything that I needed, and that's it. I mean, why would I try to fix this? I'm not gonna try to fix this. I will make it straight, yes. I will pull out as much as it possible so it looks decent, and we'll be making this as a Mad Max style, like I said, the rally car. And another thing, what I mentioned to you guys in the previous episode, or probably not, I don't remember, it was a long time ago. So, whoever donated to my channel, or whoever is gonna be donating the money to my channel, in the description down below, will have a stickers on this vehicle. I'm gonna make a stickers, depends on the size, you're gonna know how much the person donated. The bigger sticker, the more money they donated. The smaller sticker, the less money they donated. And also, I want to ask you a question. What do you think? For special couple places, you know, whoever donated the most, not the most, we should have put the price. If you want your name on the windshield, across the whole windshield, let's say that's gonna cost, I don't know how much. You comment down below how much you think person should donate to put a sticker on top of it. Maybe some of the, I don't know who, sponsors, you know, they might be hey, you wanna we'll give you this and this, put our sticker there. I'm down for it, you know, like a windshield, back glass, and maybe through the hood, or, you know, put a name over here, put a name across over here and over here, maybe 4 places for the hood. But whoever donate the money, they will go on the driver's side door, driver's side front door, then we'll move to the passenger door, and then passenger rear door, and then we'll move over here. And again, depends how many of you gonna donate it. You don't have to, guys, you don't have to donate it. If you feel like it, you wanna support the channel, and your name wants to be on, and you want your name to be on the vehicle, hey, that's a pretty good opportunity, right? And also, I want to ask you something. When you're donating the money to the channel, please let me know if you're okay for me to put your either name or business name or logo on the vehicle, because I know not a lot of people interested in that, and not everybody wants to do that. So I want to know if you're okay with me putting your name on the vehicle. So because this is gonna be on YouTube, you know, everybody gonna see it. Everybody could Google your name and all that. So first thing what I wanted to do is, I remember this, no, the lower one. It's broken, so I want to free out this area over here, pull out the radiator, condenser fan, core support bent it out a little, and I need to replace this thing. Let's see, where? Oh, over here. So this gear needs to be replaced, and then I can try and see if the engine is turning and if the valves are bent. Hopefully valves are not bent. And another thing, a lot of you guys concerned by blood. I mean, I think this airbag had a little bit of blood, and again, as you guys remember, they had so much food over here. That's why they put this blood bio. So most of the vehicles have this saying. That means when the airbag blew up, you know, the person hits a person's nose, it's automatically gonna be bleeding. So no biggie, you know, nothing crazy. So just wanna address that. So now let's take care of this. So let's replace the pulley and go from there. Alright guys, I finally was able to get this bolt off. Ouch, it's hot. So, tried a couple different methods, didn't work. Because this thing is not on, so I cannot use a belt. And vice grips did not work to holding. So, and as you saw a couple times, ouch, still hot. Well, this thing, it broke on me, like, see, it broke off. Then again broke off with a piece of this, and then welded even more, and finally was able to get this bolt out. So now what I need to do is release the belt, put the pressure. Actually, I don't think there's any pressure on it. Yep, there's no pressure on it, so I should be able to get this belt off. Looks like some work been done on this vehicle. I can see over here there's inside silicone or gasket maker black one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. And also it looks way too clean, and the belt looks way too new. And also you can see there's marks on the belt, so for the lining up. I could be wrong, it just could be a clean vehicle, but like I said, it's way too clean for this mileage. 70,000 miles, way too clean. Who knows, maybe it is original, never been touched. But oh well, I'm doing what I need to do, so I don't care if it's been done something to it or not. But looks like somebody either replaced the timing belt or head gasket, something been done to it, way too clean inside. Or that's how it is, who knows. Anyway, so now let's install this gear, or whatever you wanna call this, back, and then I'm gonna turn the motor by hand and see if it's getting stuck anywhere. If not, then I'll try to start it. That's it guys, timing belt is back and it has been replaced. It's an aftermarket timing belt from Taiwan. I found the letters, so looks like timing belt and water pump was replaced. I don't know about thermostat, but also this bolt was, you can see, you could have saw that they were replacing, so they probably was working on this head, because this one's inside, they don't look like being touched. Over here, the ring, you can see the ring is jammed, so the timing belt was obviously replaced. So anyway, it's back. This lines up over here, those two marks lines up over here also, and these two marks lines up over here. Slightly uneven, that's no biggie. I have to turn it and then see. But now I'm gonna grab where's the wrench? This one, and gonna turn it by hand and see if it's getting stuck anywhere.
Oops!
You heard this right? Started, no knocks, no nothing. That means the head are perfect. It works pretty good. Let's try this again. The only sad part about it is the vehicle got stuck in the 5th gear and I can't get it out, so I need to disassemble the tranny. I think there's one thing that's stuck, that's why I can't release it. But with the clutch, let's do this again. It even tries to drive. That's good, that's good. Hey, there you go. There you go. That's about $2,000 motor. That just all I had to do, just disassemble to change the. Woo! Woo! That stinks. Let's see what's burning. Probably oil. You see this? Yep. Stinks, stinks. That's it. The motor is good, no knocks. Perfect, right on. So, all we have to do now, pull out the drivetrain with the engine, get on the frame, straighten it out as best as we can, put everything back, and go ripping. So, that is really good news. I mean, that's really good news. So, honestly, I don't know. What else should we do? Try figure something out? I don't know. Let me think about it. I think I should probably get this vehicle on frame. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull out the engine without straining this out. I probably should. But again, it's dark outside. I don't want to deal with it right now. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna check everything out, see what's damaged there, what else needs to be done. We'll go from there. Got the windshield cut out, also vacuum all the glass in it. Now I'm ready for the frame rack to put underneath it. And you know what, I've been thinking to pull out the engine right away, but again, it's kinda too close to rail over here, even though that probably not gonna be issue. But another thing, I need to use my self-made lift system, and in order to use that, I guess I can pull it out with a tractor. I guess I just don't want to do it. Oh well. So I'm thinking while everything is here, wheels and everything, it's gonna be easier probably to install on the frame rack and do couple pulls, and then probably disassemble all the interior, whatever I don't need in it. I don't know. I wanna get out all the seats off of here. You can see that seat is destroyed for some reason, probably because of the water and ice, or the battery was there, could be case also. I mean, to disassemble rear section, I need to pull out this quarter. So, and the list just goes on and on. So, I decided I'm gonna finish this episode right here, guys. Vehicle starts. Now, the main procedure should start, you know, pulling frame and everything. So, that's gonna be in next episode. Thank you guys for stopping by. As usual, you know what to do. If you like the video, give me thumbs up. Leave your thoughts down below. Maybe give me some ideas, how should I build it. You know, this side looks pretty good, the other side looks the worst side, but again, you might throw me some ideas, or maybe some of you even do some Photoshop or rendering, whatever, and send me a picture on Gmail, and I'll take a look. If I like it, we'll make this car like that. So you got the idea. So that's it. I'll catch you next one.